Welcome guys, I'm going to show you how to find the largest and smallest of given 10 numbers. Okay, you can see here I'm going to start executing my code from 4100. Okay, I have given my input here. Okay, my starting address for my input is 4150. Okay, in 4150 I have 22, 33. In 4151 I have 33. In 4152 I have 11, 53, 54, 55. Okay, the same thing goes on. Okay, I'm going to store my inputs here. I have given 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, I have given that 10 numbers. Okay, this is the code here. Okay, to find the largest and smallest of two numbers. Okay, I'm going to sum up. Okay, you can see here. Let me tell the algorithm here. Okay, in B I'm going to store largest number of the given 10 largest. In C I'm going to store the smallest. Okay, in C I'm going to store the smallest number. In B register I'm going to store my largest number. In C register I'm going to store my smallest number. In A register I'm going to keep on comparing. Okay, let me go to the first step. Okay, my first input is 22, right? I'm gonna move to the B. Okay, and I'm move into C. Okay, and then I'm gonna initialize with D. Since I have given 10 numbers, I am initializing D with 10. Okay, if you are given 50 numbers, okay, you have to give 0 F. Okay, I have given 10 numbers here, so I have 0 here. Okay, it shows I'm gonna run my loop 10 times. Okay, based on the number of numbers you have to find the largest and smallest, you have to initialize D register with those number of your given numbers. Okay, since I have 10 numbers, I am given D as 0 here. Okay, I'm gonna move to the loop now. I'm gonna move M with E. Okay, I'm gonna compare with B. Okay, I'm gonna compare with B here. A equals A minus B. Okay, since it's 0, okay, set flag is set. Okay, let me tell the algorithm now. Okay, if you have to find the largest number, okay, let's take an example, 33 and 22. Okay, since assume A is 33, B is 22. Okay, A equals A minus B, that is 33 minus 22. Remember this, compare B, assume this is A, this is B. 33 minus 22, this is gonna be positive value, right? Okay, if it's a positive value, this shows A is greater than B, right? If this is a positive value, A is greater than B. Okay, so what I have to do, I have to move B to A, right? Okay, I have to move my content in A to B, because in B I'm going to store my largest number. Okay, it shows A is greater than B, so I have to change it to move my content of A to B. Okay, that's what happening here. Okay, I'll compare with. Okay, a carry is not set. Okay, that's why move B to A. Okay, I think you are fine with the finding largest number. Okay, let me tell for the smallest number. Okay, first finding smallest number. Okay, the same logic. Okay, assume 33 and then 22. Okay, the same thing means here comparing with C. Okay, A equals A minus A. Assume this is C and this is A. Okay, I'm gonna compare 33 minus 22. Okay, what will be the answer? It will be the negative number. Okay, if this is a negative number, this shows C is the smallest value. Okay, C is the smallest value. Okay, I'm storing the smallest value in C. Okay, it's already smallest. Okay, then we no need to move to the C register because it's already the smallest number. Then we no need to do that. Okay. You can see here. I'm going to increment H now. Okay, I have compared 22 with 22. I'm going to decrement D. You can see I have done the first loop. Okay, I'm going to increment D. Okay, I have fetched the second number. Okay, you can see here my second number is 33. After the first loop, I have got my second number 33. Okay, let me go. Okay, it has compared with B 33 minus 22. 33 is greater than 22. Okay, carry will not be set. Okay, if 33 is less than 22, carry will be set, but it's already 33 is greater than 22, so carry will not be set. So I'm gonna move my A to B because it shows A is the largest number. Okay, the same thing I'm doing here. Okay, you can see here this line is executed. Okay, now I'm gonna compare with C to fetch the smallest number. Okay, 33 minus 22. Okay, 33 minus 22 is you get the positive number. Okay, since C is smaller than A. Okay, it's gonna come out, it's gonna move to skip. Okay, then no need to swap. Okay, you can see here it will move to skip. Okay, jump if no carry because A is greater than B. The same thing. Okay, and again I'm going to decrement D to keep track of the number of loops. Okay, I'm going to decrement D. Okay, jump if no 0. Okay, I'm going to keep on doing this. Okay, if I keep on doing this and then at one time my Z flag is going to set to 1. Okay, if my Z flag is set to 1, when my Z flag will be set to 1? If I completed all the comparing all the numbers. Okay, I'm going to compare 10 times. Okay, after 10 time, okay, my Z flag will be set. Okay, that's why I'm decrementing D. Okay, that's why I'm decrementing D every time. Okay, to keep track of the number of loops it's gonna execute. Okay, now I move to my last step. Okay, you can see my last number is 50. Okay, it has fetched my last number. Okay, you can see here I'm at the last loop. Okay, I'm gonna compare my last number with the updated largest and smallest number. Okay, you can see here my current largest number is 98, my current smallest number is 11. Okay, I'm gonna compare it with my last number 50. Okay, the same thing. Okay, it's gonna check for largest number, you're gonna check for smallest number. Okay, if A is greater than B, it will move. Okay, if A is less than B, it will be moved in smallest numbers. Okay, the same thing repeats. Okay, you can see here. Okay, you can see here my D is currently 0 1. I'm going to decrement D. Okay, since it's 0 1 minus 0 1 0, my Z flag is set now. Okay, it jump if no Z flag is set. Okay, but my Z flag is set now, so I'm gonna come out of this loop. Okay, currently I have my largest number in B register. Okay, you can see in C I have my smallest number. Okay, out of these 10 numbers I have found my largest number and smallest number. Okay, I'm gonna store it in 4250 and 4251. Okay, forward. You can see here out of these 10 given numbers, my largest number is stored in 98, my smallest number is stored in 11. My smallest number is stored in 4251. Okay, thank you guys.